Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to this Conga Popstar 2900 ErgoFlex. It's a Broom vacuum cleaner. High performance cyclone vacuum cleaner here on the table. It's a 3-in-1 device, a cordless and bagless device. 3 operation modes are available with the lithium-ion battery, 60 minutes runtime. And a 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner is very user-friendly and with a high suction power. This is a vertical vacuum cleaner, a handheld and broom vacuum cleaner too. A maximum suction power thanks to the Conga Cyclonic System and its 29.6 volt battery. This reached an autonomy of 60 minutes and reduced the charging time by up to an half. Lithium-ion batteries that extends the life of the vacuum cleaner and reduce the charging time to 4 hours. The ErgoFlex System technology with articulated arm that allows us to vacuum the dirt accumulated under furniture, beds, or hard-to-reach places with total comfort. And we have a high-speed power brush, detachable, motorized, and rotating brush that removes the most difficult dirt. And on top, 3 operation modes. Eco mode extends the battery life and saves energy. Turbo mode maximizes suction power, and the brush off mode. This turns off the rotating brush and LED lighting. Wow, this 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner is very user-friendly and with a high suction power. It works with the cyclone technology easily and fast, because we can choose one of the speed mode or the eco mode or the brush mode, what you like. We have ultra power technology with a maximum power thanks to the 29.3 volt battery, and immortal battery achieves an autonomy of up to 60 minutes and reduces the charging time because it does not need so much recharging. Oh yeah. The turbo mode, eco mode, brush off mode, everything is possible. You can use it. High speed power brush, detachable, and twisted technology. Oh yeah, we have a technology suction nozzle that bends 180 degrees. The vacuums all types of surfaces thanks to its special accessories for furniture and corners. And we have on top a best friend's care technology that allows easy vacuum of pet hairs. Includes charging station with accessory storage. Oh, we always have our vacuum cleaner ready to use there. And it purifies the air. High performance filters are able to retain a high percentage of venues. And handy and light. It glides perfectly and does not require a cable. 0.8 liter capacity container, dust container, and easy emptying system. And it's including a parking position, and it's foldable. Wow, oh, that's nice. We press the on or off button on the handle to turn the appliance on. Both the light emitter diode lights on the suction head and the pilot lights on the handheld vacuum cleaner will light up. Oh yeah, that means we can't see where the dirt is in front of us because of the light emitter diodes. Oh yeah. We can adjust the suction power by pressing the high suction power turbo or the low suction power eco buttons on the handle. The multi-purpose brush and the LED lights on the suction head will turn on or off at the same time when we turn it on or off button. We can turn the light and the brush off if we does not need them in order to save energy. Use the brush to clean carpets or floors. When we wish to vacuum our pet's hair, we remove the multi-purpose brush. We can also push up the fold button on the handle to fold the appliance and make it easier to clean under the bed or furniture. After use, we switch off the appliance and push up the fold button on the handle to fold the appliance for an easy storage. We charge the appliance when the charging pilot show only one bar, or we felt that the suction power is weaker than before. We do not let the battery deeply before charging them. Okay. Ooh. We press the release button to remove the handheld vacuum cleaner from the main body. We take off the corner accessory of the brush from the back of the charging base. We install the corner accessory to clean the corners and crevices. We install the brush to clean upholsteries such as offers. We press the power button to switch the device on. We press the center of the button again to turn it off. We place the handheld vacuum cleaner back in the main body after use, and then we have the big one again. So you have a handheld suction device here, and you have a bigger one. And you have 3 operation modes, and so many more. This appliance has been designed exclusive to clean floors, carpets, or rugs, furniture, and fabrics. We do not use it for any other purpose. Its multi-purpose brush can remove lint, hair, and pet hair entangled in carpets or rugs. Hair will be swept and will be stuck in the brush. We make it easier to remove it when cleaning. If we want to clean hair in the floor, furniture, etc., it is advisable to remove the brush to avoid tangles. We do not vacuum the hot ash, splinters, or any other sharp objects or liquids. We do not use the vacuum to clean of construction dust, cement, etc. We do not vacuum the lit matches or cigarette butts, nor toxic materials too. And before attaching or removing an accessory or performing any maintenance on the appliance, we unplug it from the main supply. And we check if the multi-purpose brush is free of tangled threads of hair. We remove any tangles so that the appliance does not get blocked. And then we can make it with the Conga Popstar 2900 ErgoFlex Animal in every floor at home, because it is a good device. It is a 3-in-1 device. It's a Broom vacuum cleaner. The Conga Popstar 2900 ErgoFlex Animal, baby. High performance cycling vacuum cleaner. It's a 3-in-1. It's cordless and bagless. We have operation modes, 3 of them. Lithium-ion battery, 60 minutes of runtime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.